Good evening, everyone. Good evening, guys. Good evening, good evening. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Can you please respond in the chat? Please respond in the chat, guys. Right. Very good evening, guys. Very good evening. All right. So let us start our session here today. So guys, before starting our session, as always, let us try to have a very small and a quick recap of the concept which we had covered in our yesterday's class. So guys, yesterday we have started discussing about this keyword. Like we started discussing about this keyword, and I told you what is this keyword, like what is the use of this keyword. I told you this keyword is used in 4 ways. That is, it is used to resolve the ambiguity between this keyword. It is used to resolve the ambiguity between local variables, instance variables. This keyword is used to call present class methods. This keyword is used to return the instance of a class. This keyword is used as a constructor call also. So up to here, these are all the concepts which we had covered in our yesterday's class. So guys, I believe yesterday, I think I gave you a small program. Did you got the output for that program? Okay. This is the program. This is the program like that. And please check this. The output for this program is right click, run as Java application, and this is the output. This is the output. Do me a favor, guys, please have this program output in your notes. Please have this program output in your notes. And tomorrow is Sunday, right? I want you to analyze this output, how you are getting this output. Most of the people did not got the correct output. I know that. I can see that some people are giving me the wrong outputs. And tomorrow, I want you to please make that happen, guys. Okay. Please not on this output. Not on this output. Yeah, the people who got correct output, that is awesome. That is good. That is nice. Did you note it down? Method 2 called, method 3 called, method 1 called 100, method 4 called, A value is 50, S value that is Java, S value Java, and Java is object-oriented programming language. Java is awesome, and 50. And 50. Okay, can I remove this? Can I remove this? I'm removing 3, 2, 1, 1. All right, guys. All right. Now, let me remove this. Okay. Now, today we are going to discuss about a new concept, that is arrays. Arrays. Java arrays. Understanding. Let us try to write understanding Java arrays. That's it, not more than that. Okay. Understanding Java array. Now, guys, did you remember when we have covered this arrays concept? Actually, I just gave you a small idea about array. Just a small idea, basic idea. Did you remember that? Whenever we are discussing about wrapper classes, I guess. Yes, I think here. Right. So whenever I discussed about wrapper classes, I told you this concept, right? So what is an array? Array collects multiple elements of similar data type. Array collects multiple elements of similar data type in a continuous block of memory. It collects multiple elements of similar data type in a continuous block of memory. And I already told you guys, whenever we are dealing with arrays, the first important point which we need to remember is drawbacks in arrays. This is important, guys. Did you remember this? Like drawbacks, what I told you? Generally, when you are speaking about arrays, mainly there are three types of drawbacks will be there. The length of an array is fixed. Length of an array is fixed. Arrays accepts only homogeneous data. And yes, there is no method support is there. For arrays, we don't have any method support. Sir, why you don't have any method support? You don't have that, guys. I mean, Sun Microsystems does not give you any method support for arrays. So that is the reason, actually, if we want to retrieve the data from arrays according to our wish, we need to write the logic. There is no predefined method supporting arrays. We need to write the logic by our own. So that is actually an array, and these are the drawbacks of an array. Now, guys, whenever you are speaking about arrays, memory-wise, arrays are highly recommended. Memory-wise, arrays are highly recommended, but performance-wise, no, not recommended. Okay, so whenever you are trying to take an array, if you know how many elements you want to pass into that array, for example, you are trying to store 10 contact numbers of the students. 10. You know the number. So you can directly take array, and the length, the size of that array, you can give as 10. Why? Because you know that you are supposed to store 10 phone numbers. For example, if you don't know how many phone numbers you need to store, if you're trying to take this length of an array as 10, if below 10 people came, fine, the data will be stored. Exactly 10 people came, yes, the data will be stored. If more than 10 people came, then you will be getting an error. Arrays are of fixed length. Are you understanding me, guys, what I'm trying to say here? If you know the size, if you know the length, then please go to arrays. If you don't know the length, then we should not be going to arrays. We are supposed to go to one more concept in Java, that is known as collection framework. Whenever we are dealing with collection framework, we'll be discussing about that particular topic, guys. I'll let you know. Now, before that, what I want to say here is today, guys, there are different ways of creating an array. Different ways, like int arr, simply like this, array, give array representation like this, and arr equal to new int 5 like this. This is first way. Now, let me try to go with one more way. Int arr equal to new int 5. This is second way. Let me try to go with one more way. Int ARR equal to array representation equal to parenthesis. Now here I'll be writing 10 comma 50 like this. This is third way of creating an array. Finally, fourth way. Int ARR equal to new int, and here I'll be giving 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50 like that. This is the fourth way of creating an array. Now guys, very important concept. Whenever we are creating an array, we can create an array in any of these four ways. Any of these four ways. What is this int? Int is the type of the array. Type, like I told you, arrays collect multiple elements of similar data type, right? So if you are trying to take integer array, we need to, if you are trying to take integer array, we need to pass only numbers. If you are trying to take character array, then we need to pass characters. If you are trying to take string array, then we need to pass string data type. Are you understanding me, guys? Guys, kindly please respond to me. Are you getting me? This is the type of the array. Type of the array. ARR is the name of the array. Name. Identifier, guys. Identifier name. Am I supposed to take ARR only? Am I supposed to take ARR only? No. I can literally take any name. But why I'm taking ARR? Just for our understanding purpose, guys. That's it. Not more than that. Okay. Am I clear with that? Yes. And this square braces is there now. Square braces. This is array dimension, array representation. We can call that as array dimension or array representation. Okay. If you are writing, guys, one point. In Java, if you are seeing new keyword, what do you mean by that? If you are seeing new keyword, what do you mean by that? Creating an object. Any data present inside double quotes. Any data present inside double quotes. That is a string. Exactly. In the same manner, if you are seeing a square braces, that is nothing but array representation. Array. That is an array. Am I clear with that, guys? Okay. Right. That is great. Now, all right. Now, this is the type of the array. This is the name of the array. And this is your array representation, like dimension. And this is actually known as declaration of an array. This is known as declaration, guys. Declaration of an array. Okay. This is known as instantiation of an array. Instantiation of an array. Declaration and instantiation. At the time of declaration, we are not supposed to give the size. At the time of instantiation, 100% we need to give the size. Anyways, those are the rules which we will be discussing. We'll be trying to discuss that, no issues. Now, in the first way, for declaration of an array and for instantiation of an array, we are writing two statements. Two statements. In the second way, did you observe what we are doing? In the second way, we are writing both declaration and instantiation both inside a single statement. This second way is actually highly recommended. Second way. Generally, whenever we are writing our code, most of the time we will be dealing with this second way, guys. No, this is not better. Let us go with this one only. Okay. Most of the time we will be going with second way. Highly recommended. Right. Now, what is the difference between third way, fourth way, and first two ways? Did you observe, guys? Did you observe? When you are speaking about third way, here directly we are passing the values. Fourth way also the same. Fourth way also the same scenario. Am I right or wrong, guys? Yes. Now let me try to give you an idea, guys. Please observe here. Whenever you are creating an array, first an array will be created like this. Okay, an array will be created like this. That is better. Now there will be 5 memory locations inside my array. 5 memory locations. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, like this. Now, what is the name of this array? Name of this array is ARR. Name, guys, name. Name of this array is ARR. Name of this array is ARR. Length of an array, length of an array always, length of an array always starts with, always starts with 1. Length of an array always starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Length always starts with 1. Index position of an array always starts with, I'm pretty much damn sure you know the answer. Index position of an array always starts with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Guys, you need to remember these length and index values. Trust me when I say that. Okay. In arrays, if we want to pass the elements into the array, or else if we want to retrieve the elements from the array, we need to use index positions. Let me just try to write it like a small note point. Note point in array, just like a small note point. In array, we need to pass the elements into the array and retrieve the elements from the array with the help of index values. That's it. With the help of index values. Very important point. Okay. Don't please forget this. Like that. Okay. In array, we need to pass the elements into the array and retrieve the elements from the array with the help of index values like that. So here, so guys, tell me one thing. Am I passing any elements into my array? This array. I'm speaking about the first one. Am I passing any elements? No. Am I right? Yes, exactly. I'm not passing any elements. How many elements I can pass into this array? How many elements I can pass into this array? Guys, not 6. How many are? See, check the length of my array. I can pass only 5. Check the length of this array. Okay, I can pass only 5 elements. But here, as I did not pass any values, I just declared and instantiated my array. Each memory block of my array will be filled with the default value of the data type of array. Each memory block will be filled with the default value of the data type of my array. Can you please tell me? Can you please check and tell me, guys? What is the value here? Exactly, guys, int. Come on, guys. What is the default value of int? 0. Exactly. Don't forget that. So 0, 0. Now here also 0. Here also 0. Like that. Every memory block will be filled with the default value of the type of my array. Like that. Type of my array. Like that. Right? Now, if I'm trying to get the same data, just a second. Sorry. Okay. Now, let me try to get the same data here. Copy, paste. Here, guys. Second way. Now tell me, here also, same 0. I mean, just a second. I just want to make it a little bit more interactive. Just a second. Okay, same data here also, same. Let me make it like this. Okay, now 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. What about here? What about here? Am I going to get the same data, or else is there any change here? Come on, guys, same data or any change? Definitely there is a change, sir. There is a change. Like, what is the change? Sir, here in the third way, we are passing the data. Exactly. What is the data here? Okay, just let me try to get it for my, for my fourth way also, like this. Okay. Now, like this. Now, just a second, guys. Just a second. Guys, I hope you're not getting confused. Are you clear with this? Please respond in the chat. Okay. Okay, that is good. That is good. Now, here, our data will be 10, 20, 30, 40, and finally 50. Like that. This is the data. Now, when you are speaking about the fourth way also, the same kind of data will be available. Exactly the same as it is 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Okay. So if you are creating an array, that array will be created like this inside the heap memory. Guys, kindly please do remember, every array is an object. Every array is an object. It will be created inside the heap memory. Every array is an object. It will be created inside the heap memory. Kindly please do remember this particular point, guys. Okay, just let me try to get it like this. Just a small differentiation so that it would be easy for you to analyze like that. Is it okay, guys? Is it clear for everyone up to now? Now that is better. That is better. Now, guys, please observe here. Please observe here. When we are speaking about note point, there is one more small note point is there. Just a small note point. That is if we want to get the length of an array, we need to use length variable. This is actually an important point, guys. We need to use the length variable. This is important point. Okay, now how to do that? Like, I'll show you. Please observe here. Let us take this ARR length. Okay, so ARR dot length, ARR dot length, length like this. Okay, now guys, this is case 1, and this is case 2. According to your opinion, which one is valid? By the way, what is the length of this array? ARR, what is the length? 5. Exactly 5. Now tell me, what is your opinion? Which one is valid? This is case 1 and this is case 2. Which one is valid? Okay, most of the time people are saying case 2. Okay, right, guys, most of the time people are saying case 2, but case 2, that is invalid. This is invalid, guys. What I told you, if we want to get the length of an array, we need to use length variable. This is a variable, not a method. Okay, so case 1 is valid, like that. AC remote this. Case 1 is valid. This is invalid. Am I clear with that, guys? Is it clear? Right. All right, guys. So we have seen a lot of theory here right now. So it's time to check with the program. Shall we go with the program? All right, let's go. Let's go with the program. Just a second. Just a second, guys. Just a second. Right. Okay. Now, let me go to my program. Okay, class here. Now, please let me try to take a method. Void method one like this. Okay, point number one. First, I want to create an array with all the four ways. Okay, so int err1, after that err1 equal to new, okay, sorry, err1 equal to new int, and I'm giving the size as 5. Int I'm giving the size as 5 like this. Let me try to go with second way. Int err2 equal to new int, I'm giving the size as 5. Sir, am I supposed to always give the size as 5 only? What is your opinion, guys? Always am I supposed to give the size as 5? No, guys, literally no. I can give the maximum size as int. The maximum range of int, I can give that. Not any size. I'm supposed to, like, I can pass maximum size of int. Okay. We'll be discussing about that key points very soon. We'll be discussing about that. So this is just a number. Please don't think like I'm supposed to give only 5 only. Okay. Now let me try to go with the third way. Int err3 equal to after that I'm just trying to pass 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50 like this. 50 like this. Okay. Now in the same manner, let me try to go with like Mukesh sir, isn't every block hold the range of int? Mukesh, it's not like block, it's more like size. Okay, size, Mukesh. Please don't get confused with the data and size. Data is different, size is different. Okay, right. Now int err4 equal to new int. Okay, new int, and here I'm trying to give something like 15 comma 25 comma 35 comma 45 comma 55 like this. Some data, guys, some data. Okay, now I'm trying to take string s equal to Java like that. Okay, now guys, always please do remember length in Java always starts with, can you please tell me? Length in Java always starts with, yes, exactly, 1. Always length will starts with 1. Okay, so can you please tell me what is the length of this string? Can you please tell me what is the length of the string? The length of that string is 4. Exactly, guys, exactly. Now please check this. System.out.println array array length plus err1 dot length. System.out.println syso system.out.println. Okay, now here I'm going with string length, okay, plus s dot length method, okay. Let me just try to have my main method. Now inside my main method, I'm trying to create an object. Okay, new class a dot method 1. Okay, can you please tell me what is my expected output? In line number 18, my output is, in line number 18, my output is 5. Exactly. In line number 19, my output is 4. Right click as Java application 5 and 4. Now, guys, did you understand what is the question? Question, just like a question. What is the difference between length variable versus length method? Did you understand the difference, guys? Length variable, it is used to get the length of array. Exactly. Length variable, L-E-N-G-T-H, L-E-N-G, length, it is used to get the length of an array. And length method, it is used to get the length of string. Guys, this is actually one of the important interview point of view question. I hope it's clear for everyone. Is it clear, guys? Yes? Okay. Okay. Now, guys, I am discussing about ARR2 right now. ARR2. Please observe. ARR2. Okay. ARR2 of 2 equal to 200. ARR2 of 2 equal to 200. Now system.out.println ARR2 of 2. Can you please tell me what is my output here? Okay. For example, if I'm going to -1, now tell me what is my output? 2 minus 1. 199. Buddy, this is index position. Index position. 2 minus 1 means ARR2 of 1. What is the element? What is the element present at first index position? 0. So here you will be getting your output as 0. Are you understanding me, guys? If I'm trying to get system.out.println ARR2 of 2. Now what is my output here? 200. Right click, run as Java application. I'll be getting my output as 200. Guys, are you understanding the concept here? Are you understanding the concept here? Just system.out.println. Okay, now just let me try to go like that. Okay, now what I'm trying to do here is, guys, I told you, can you please read this point? Can you please read this point? The point is in array, we need to pass the elements into the array and retrieve the elements from the array with the help of what? Index positions, with the help of index values. So here in line number 26, what I am doing, I am trying to pass 200 at the second index position. Are you understanding me, guys? At the second index position, I am trying to pass 200. And in line number 27, I am trying to retrieve ARR2 2 minus 1. Means, what is 2 minus 1? Tell me. 1. Instead of writing 1, simply I am writing 2 minus 1 here. That's it. Not more than that. Not more than that. Are you getting me? 2 minus 1 like this. For example, I want to get the last element of this ARR2. Can you tell me what to do? Last element. system.out.println ARR2. What I need to write? Last index position. Guys, last index position is 5. If I'm writing 5, what I will be getting, guys? What I will be getting? I will be getting an exception, array index out of bounds exception. Is 5th index position present in my array too? No. No. How many index positions are there, guys? There are only 4 index positions. Okay. So if I want to get the last element, I need to go with 4. But there is one more better way. There is one more better way. That is, can I write like this? ARR dot length ARR2 dot length minus 1. Can I write like this, guys? What is this length? What is the length? Tell me. Length is 5. 5 minus 1, 4. Obviously, I will be getting my last element. What is my last element? What is my last element? 0. I will be getting my output as 0. I hope it's clear, guys. Is it clear? ARR2. Let us try to write like this. Right click, run as Java application like this. Now, let me try to work on ARR3 also. ARR3. Now, for example, system.out.println ARR3 of ARR3 dot length minus 2. Tell me what is my output here? This is ARR3. Tell me what is my output? 0. Always index position starts with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now here what I'm trying to get? Length. Length means 5. 5 minus 2, 3. What is the element present at third index position? 0, 1, 2, 3. Guys, what is the element present third index position here? Why you are saying 30? Exactly. Right click, run as Java application. Is it clear, guys, for everyone? Is it clear? Is it clear? Please respond. Yes, that is good. That is good. Okay, here our output will be 40 like this. Now, for example, system.out.println ARR3 ARR1 dot length minus 3. Now tell me what is my output? What is ARR1 dot length? Okay, 5. Okay, 5 minus 3. That's it. Are you understanding me, guys? Yes or no? Right click. Okay, 5 minus 3. What is 5 minus 3? 2. Let me check. Okay, 0, 1, 2. As simple as this. So here my output will be 30. Right click, run as Java application. I'll be getting my output as 30. Okay. Right. As simple as this. Very good, guys. That is literally very good. Very good. Now let me try to go with ARR4. ARR4 like that. Now, guys, what I want you to do is, I want to pass some elements. Okay, let us do one thing. Wait for that. Guys, I just want to retrieve the data from my ARR of 4. Can you do that? I just want to retrieve the data. I just want to retrieve the data by using for loop. Can you please tell me? Can you please tell me? Okay, system.out.println retrieving the data, retrieving the data using for loop. For loop. Tell me what I need to write first. For after that, why I'm getting error? Why I'm getting an error? Why I'm getting an error? I'm getting an error because two semicolons are missing. Okay. After that, initialization statement. Okay. Int I equal to 0. After that, instead of giving I less than 5, can I go with I less than ARR dot length? I mean, ARR 4 dot length. What do you say, guys? Can I write like that? Previously, I don't know this length method, but right now I know this length method. I mean, length variable. So directly I'll be writing like this and I'll be going with I plus plus. And here system.out.println ARR of I. ARR 4 of I. As a matter of fact, we have already covered this kind of programs. As a matter of fact, we have already covered this kind of programs in our control statements. Did you remember that, guys? Yes, yes. Guys, I have taken at line number 33, I have taken like this. At line number 32, I have taken like this because I want to show you. I just want to show you guys. We can access an element present at a specific index position basing upon our requirements. We can access that. Am I clear with this, guys? Sir, no, sir. I'll be directly writing 2. Okay, yeah, you can write that too, but we'll be getting a requirement like this in our projects. Then what you will do? That is the reason I had shown you like this, guys. Okay. Now, do me a favor, guys. Please do me a favor. Please have this program. Have this program. First have this program. First have this program, please. Nilesh, we can use like that also, no problem. Snehal, not exactly core Snehal. You should be having an idea about full stack also, like advanced Java, Spring. You should be having an idea about that. Fresher means core Java may be sufficient, but experience, no. Okay, Snehal. String index also, Mahesh, always in Java, index starts with 0, length starts with 1. Okay, buddy? Right. Please have these comments also. Pavan, that is not a method. That is not a method. That is a variable. That's what I told you. In array, you don't have any method support, buddy. Okay? Please don't get confused. Right. Guys, one more time I'm saying you. One more time I'm saying you. Here in line number 27, my intention is I want to get the value presented first index position of my array 2. First index position. So in order to get the first index position, I'm writing like this 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 means 1. I'm saying that we can write like this also. Am I clear with this? Nikhil? Yes. Mahesh, you will be getting an error. Why? Because string should be present inside double quotes. Am I right or wrong? String data should be present inside double quotes. Please keep that inside double quotes and you would be good to go. Right. Guys, is it completed? Krishna, arrays should be local. No, Krishna, not required. You can create your arrays as instance also. No problem. Who told it should be local? Did I tell that it should be local? It's an object, Krishna. It's an object. Every array is an object. Okay. You can create according to your requirement. No problem. Right. Ravi, you're asking, sir, in written what we are supposed to say for length and length method. See, that's what Ravi, length variable is used to get the length of an array. Length method is used to get the length of a string. That's it. Both are, I mean, this is final variable and this is final method. As simple as this. Okay. All right. So guys, please listen to me. So there are, I mean, arrays concept is not yet completed. Still a lot of information is there in array. We'll be trying to discuss that information in our next class. Most probably Monday and Tuesday also, I'll be discussing about arrays, guys. Okay. Is it clear, guys, for everyone? Right. All right, guys, that's it. That's it for today. Have a great, fantastic weekend. And tomorrow, come on, Ravi. Tomorrow there is no class here. My wife will not accept if I keep a class. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Have a fantastic weekend. And please don't forget to practice. Please don't forget to practice, guys. Okay. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Bye-bye. See you again on Monday.